using the 201 pieces, like 201. But now this is a little bit complicated, but it's not really complicated. You can do it, guys. I already attached the eyes, but it looks like it's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Let's still attach this one there, and right over here. There. Now we just need to take the other one. Or I know something else. That's this one. This goes here because the forehead is yellow. So this one right here is the back of the head. And I'm just finding the pieces that can still be attached. Oh, I know. I can still. I'll put it right over here and attach it to the ear. And I just need to put it here. And then I just this. I just need this. Oh no. And it's going right over here. There. See? Oh no. Ah, yeah. Guys, look! It's the face already! Isn't it so colorful? Look, kids will like it! The ing.
Why is that pink?
It's because if I put this, it's gonna be cheating. Like CHEETING.
What's on that one?
Rex. This is the neck part. We're still adding more. So it's like this, but we still have to be longer than that. I guess we should add yellow. Yeah, yellow. Well, I'm running out of yellow right now. And I only have like yellow top. Yellow leg top. Now I just need this one. Wait, I know something. There! And that's better. Now we just got this loosening. And then after that, I think I just need to attach this. Oh, this is the neck, all right! This is just like Jeffrey the Giraffe. Jeffrey the Giraffe is the iconic mascot of Toys R Us. And even Jeffrey has stars on his neck. Because of the evolution, in 1999, Jeffrey wears clothes. And I'm still just loving this one. Because we know about the beloved mascot of Toys R Us. Now I finished one of the legs. After the next leg of this giraffe, just needed to attach this. So it just needed an attachment right here. And right over here. Yeah, we did it! Now this red here, green and pink there. And now I did the second leg, see? You can use whatever color of Duplo you have. It doesn't have to be necessarily the same color. You can still use your own imagination to make this giraffe. You needed to get this here, okay? Oh no! This is the fourth leg. These are all the 4 legs, and I'll attach them together. This goes right. Everyone has an imagination because everyone has a brain. I'm trying to balance these guys. I guess it goes right over here. I hope I still have enough pieces, guys. But this tail, it's for the attachments. I can